How to change Fantasy Premier League team name. Changing your Fantasy Premier League team name is easy and a great way to add a personal touch to your squad. Let's get started. First up, launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Fantasy Premier League. Log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now, over here, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of Pick Team. Now, here you're gonna find the team. Now, scrolling down at the right corner, you will find the section of Admin. Under that, you'll find the option of team details. Click on it. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily make changes to your team name. First up, clear out the old team name and then type in the new one. Make sure your new name complies with the Fantasy Premier League's guidelines. Avoid offensive language or inappropriate terms. Once you have entered, you can also customize the team kit. And once you're done, scroll down and click on Update Details. With that, your name will be updated. So this way you can easily change team name on Fantasy Premier League. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.